How to set up shipping on Shopify Zendrop. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can set up the shipping method within Zendrop to your Shopify store. It is very easy and very simple. All you have to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to go ahead and visit zendrop.com. And as you can see, we are on the website. The second thing is to make sure that your store is set up and also you have signed in into an account within Shopify store. Now, let's go ahead back to Zendrop. Then we are going to click on login. The first thing also we need to do is go ahead and sign up for an account if you don't have one. If you do, and which is my case, I'm going to sign in into my account. Now we are on the login session or the login page of Zendrop. Go ahead right here and set your email and password. And also we have the option to connect or sign in within the account of Zendrop with one of the three options right there. We have Google accounts, Apple account, and also the Facebook account. I'm going to choose my Google account as a target. So we're going to simplify the testing, and also we are going to simplify the connection. Right there I have clicked and selected my Google account, and as you can see, we are on the dashboard. Now, a little disclaimer guys, everything created in this video, such as email addresses, Google accounts, are created for the sake of the video. They are not used for any personal uses, so keep that in mind and use your own accounts. Right there, we are on the Zendrop, and as you can see, let's connect your Shopify store to Zendrop. Now, the first thing that we need to do right here is to already have a store, we are going to connect. So we are going to click on continue. Now we need to download an app or an extension of Zendrop within Shopify, and that can be will be right there. Enter your Shopify URL. I'm going to click on authorize and I will see right there that the Shopify App Store has appeared. I will click on install. Now I will wait for a few seconds until the app will be installed into my Shopify store. The next step is to click on install right there. Now we are going to wait until we see the plugin or the extension right here. Here we are going to verify our phone, I think, since the page is set. We are going to wait for a few seconds. I'm going to refresh my Shopify page. Or never mind, the phone verification is set already since I have already an account. And as you can see, we have the Shopify store. It is appearing that this is the name of the store, Jack Smith Clothing. And when you go to our Shopify store, we see that same name right there. So finally, we have the connection set and everything is ready. Now we have the marketplace or the store of Zendrop. You can choose whatever of these products you have right there. And then you're going to send them or add them to the products into your store within Shopify. And this is a very cool feature. Now, for the shipping, it is very easy. When you go ahead to the settings right there and you connect finally the right here the extension or the app for Zendrop, you're going to the settings and you're going to seek for the shippings and also delivery. When you click on shipping and delivery right here, you're going to see that Zendrop is set already for this one. For example, when you click on the right here on the general, you are going to check for the shipping origins from here. We have CJ dropshipping, D-Series, services, and 3 more. Let's check them. And as you can see, we have Zendrop here. The Zendrop is integrated within the shipping. So that means the process is automated and also fully automated. Now, for example, when you go ahead right there to the Zendrop, let's say that I wanted to add a product for my store. I'm going for this, for example, this one, this shirt maybe. I'm going to add it in my store and see how it will be going. Now, we have the variants, we have everything set, and also we can find some ads and competitors on the Minea right there. So I don't care about these details, but I will let you see how we can add to my product. Click on add to my product and then you are going to click right here into this left side bar right there. Go ahead and click on my products, and from here you're going to see that product. I'm going to review it, and then we are going to publish. After you have reviewed that product, from the title, the product tag, for example shirt, I'm going to set shirt, or summer, like that, summer shirt, for example, like this, and you can add multiple right there tags. We have the product type and also the collections. You can add some collections, for example, right there we have some homepage. This is my collection on Shopify, and it doesn't matter a lot. We can see or check the description, the variants, and also the images. Now I have saw everything right there and everything is ready. I'm going to click on publish to my store. Right there we are going to wait for a few moments until the item is pushed to the store. As you can see, it is right there. The images are not already set, but it is here publishing. Now we are going to wait until the publish is finished. As you can see, it is linked. When you click on the link, it will take you directly to your Shopify store and open up that product special, as you can see right there, tab. Now we are going to see that product into our store. I'm going to see it manually right there, since we have a little bit of issues within my connection. Now we are going to click on products, and for here we have the clownfish orange button shirt. It is set. We have a lot of on the stock of the inventory, 108 or 9,000. So we are going to click on it, and here we have it. Now we have everything, the sizes, variants, and we are going to view that in our store. In a few seconds, it will load up all the images, the details, description, and everything. As you can see, everything is set and everything is very organized. That was very simple. And whenever you set the price, because here the price is not set correctly, I think it is set to 180 or 89 or 98. So we're going to select all the variants, then we are going to click on bulk edit. Right there, the price is not very satisfying. So we are going to set the price of for 60, and then we are going to click on save. Now we are going to select all of these cases. I think right there we are going to set the product as for 60, and here we have it. Now we have the price normally gone to 60. Are going to wait for a few seconds until the price will change, and here we have it. Now anytime that a client is going right there to add it to the cart or buy it within your PayPal or his PayPal or her PayPal, you're going to receive a product right there order for that, and then you're going to see it right there. For the fulfillment, it will be fulfilled within Zendrop. As you can see here, we have received before 11 orders, and all these orders are linked and also sourced. Here, the platform of Zendrop will receive the orders, then it will proceed to the payment. You need to pay these bills. For example, right there, we have the totals. You need first to pay the total of each product that your customers have set or have ordered naturally, and then the fulfill order right there is set right there. For example, this one, I'm going to click on fulfill, and now we are going to click on fulfill order. Simply, you are going to add your payment method as I have mentioned before, and then you can proceed to the auto fulfillment and also the shipping. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.